puff come through. You and you. I did this whole video with no earring. I be doggone. Hi loves, welcome back. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and I'm going to do another quick style for you guys. This is a bit of a disclaimer. I know that for a fact I have multiple puff videos on my channel, but y'all keep asking for me to do them. So if you don't want to watch this particular puff tutorial, then don't. I mean, if you feel like you've seen enough puff tutorials, well, don't watch it. But I am doing this specifically for the people that have asked me after I posted like this whole long Insta story about this little ordeal I had, and I ended up putting my hair in a puff. People were requesting tons and tons of puff tutorials. So that's what I'm going to do, another quick style. Before I get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and then click the little bell next to it so that you get notifications every single time that I upload a video. I really appreciate it. That's your way of supporting me, is by subscribing to my channel. So I mean, if you just have any love within your heart, then subscribe to my channel. It doesn't take anything from you, literally anything from you. Now on to the actual tutorial. I now use old tights. I did not used to use them, but I do now. I really like the way that they feel on your hair, and because of the stretch, you don't get that extra added tension anytime that you're doing kind of like an updo style. So I literally just cut an old pair of tights into 4 of these, and once you pull them, they'll naturally roll up, and I love how long they are, so they're very, very versatile. Now my hair is in a twist out. It's about maybe like 2 days old or so, and as you can see, like, my hair is grown, but it's not super long, and I'm going to show you how you can basically achieve a large puff with fairly short hair. Okay. Now the first thing that I'm going to do, which is optional, is I'm going to take some edge control. This one is by Marielle Organics, and apply that to my edges. I also prefer to apply it to the edges in the back. Grab a brush and start to smooth that in, especially in the back because my hair is tapered, and then go around the front. Once that is done, your puff is slightly formed. Using the pair of tights that you cut, I start from the back, and then I wrap it over in the front like so. Just cross it over and then go back to the back, and I hold these 2 pieces. As I hold these 2 pieces, I begin to slide up, but this is very controlled, and then I'll tighten it just a little if I need to and slide up. I only slide up a little in the back because the hair in the back is not that long. Once I slide it up in the back, I actually go ahead and tie it. Make sure this is not too tight. In the front, I slide it back as far as you want, but the key is to really slide it up on the sides without sliding it up in the back, if that makes sense. We're pretty much there, and this puff is not tight at all. So then what I do is I literally just fluff. It looks like your hair is a lot longer than what it really is. You can stop here and be completely done, but after this, my next step is to go in with another edge control. This one is by Style Factor. It's in the strawberry scent. I use this to really kind of define my edges. I don't go overboard with it, but I do like the way that it looks. Once again, it's optional. Don't come for me. Y'all know how y'all like to do. I only use a little bit of this stuff. I do have a new edge brush that is a comb on one side and a little brush on the other side, and I'll use that to kind of create my little swoops. Like I said, I don't do much, but I do give my edges just a little bit of life, you know, just like put a little bit of sauce on it, a little sauce on the side. So loves, that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick style, even though you might have seen a million of them. Hopefully you picked up some new tips. Do you see the hair flip? Make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yes, it is a picture of my face. Hit it, I'll wait. And if you're just a little bit bored or need a little bit more to do, you can watch my last video, which I will also link here. So please go ahead and utilize these tools and click. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!